In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to create a sidechain signal generator using the signal generator plugin and an expander gate. This will allow you to add like a subsynth to a kick drum sound, or maybe a white noise to a snare drum sound. So let's dive right in here. What I have is a loop. You can hear the original kick drum, and right next door to it is a aux track with a signal generator and an expander gate. Every time that this original kick drum hits, it triggers the gate to turn or open on and off, letting that signal generator through. So what I have on this signal generator is just a sine wave at 58 hertz. So if I were to bypass the expander gate, I'll hold Command and click on expander gate. Now you can hear this signal generator just going through unaffected, and you can adjust all sorts of crazy different noises. You can change the frequency, that sort of thing. Let's turn the gate back on. And so now to set it up so that way it triggers open and closed every time it hears the kick is I'm going to use a bus, a mono bus on the original kick drum. I have it set to unity gain and set to pre. It's in pre so that way this original fader doesn't affect the level going to the signal generator and to the gate. Now if I open the gate, I assign the input of the key, the sidechain. So this is bus 1, just the same bus that you used over here. And then in this sidechain section, you have this key button that you need to turn on. You can see that when I turn off the key, it's not working. It's not listening anymore to this bus 1. So I turn that back on. So then you adjust the range all the way down and the ratio all the way up, more or less setting this gate to be a hard gate. And then as you hit play, you should see the gain reduction opening and closing every time this original kick drum hits. And you have to adjust the threshold so that way it opens up just on those kick drum hits. Then the real fun happens when you adjust the attack, hold, and release. So if I turn the hold or release up, you hear I'm adjusting the sustain of that subsynth. So it's a really creative way to add low end, extra low end to a kick drum if you want, with that subsynth signal generator type of sound, or you could add white noise to a snare drum type of sound, or any other creative way that you might find it useful for adding to a pre-existing sound.